Today I will show you how to make saline solution at home. This is the best remedy for common cold, congested nose, and seasonal allergies. I have 3 kids and it works all the time. So it's a very simple recipe. All you need is 2 cups of tap water. Then you would need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you would need 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil heavily water for 3 minutes and then add all the other ingredients to the boiled water. Once it's boiled, let it cool and you can put in the refrigerator for 7 days in an airtight, clean glass container. So every night, just make sure you shake the solution container in order to dissolve the salt which is deposited at the bottom of the container. And then just make sure that you take out the quantity that's needed for the next 24 hours. Just make sure you have a separate container for each member of the family to avoid contamination. So I'll be using this syringe and I'll fill it up to 5 ml and I'll make sure 2.5 ml for each nostril. So this is how I will hold my baby. I will make sure that his back is leaned on my chest and I will now put 2.5 ml in each nostril. Then I will just use a towel to wipe off the secretion of water that will be coming out of his nose. The next step is just to use the nasal aspirator. I have 2 of these. I prefer the one with the longer tube as it's easier to pull out the secretion that is loose. So I will put the baby down and I will pull out the secretion from the aspirator. You can do it every 2 hours if your baby is breastfed and he has a lot of congestion, or once a day if it's during winter. So here you go.